Welcome. In this video, I'd like to show you how to overcome an error when uploading a spreadsheet of grades into Blackboard. The specific error would say the following data is invalid and will not be uploaded. Now, the reason why this error shows up is because our column in the Grade Center has not been prepared correctly. There are two problems with the column. One, it needs to be set to display letter grades, and the second one is the points possible value needs to be set to something different than 0. So let's first preview the spreadsheet that we are working with. In my spreadsheet, I have uh, the minimal information required in order to upload grades, and that is the username of the student and then the grade itself. The column heading is very important. This number specifies which column in Blackboard this grade is going to belong to. So before you can import the grades, you might need to go back to Blackboard and export spreadsheet with all the set columns. And of course, to do that, you would go to Work Offline and then Download. Let's go ahead and preview our column which we are now fixing. We'll go to Edit Column Information. And here we are going to set the primary display to a letter grade. And then we will set points possible to a non-zero value. 100 works fine because the percentages and other math is done fairly easily with this number. So now we'll go ahead and say submit to edit this column. And next we're going to go to upload our spreadsheet. Let's browse for it. And after selecting it, we'll say submit. And now you can see that the letter grade is going to be uploaded. We'll say submit to confirm. And we can preview the grades. Now let's go back to edit this column so that we can see the actual numerical values of these grades. The secondary display will be set as a score. And we'll go ahead and say submit. And now you can see the value of each grade as it was calculated by Blackboard. And this is the reason why points possible cannot be 0 when importing letter grades. But where do these numbers come from? Well, these numbers come from the local grading schema. So under grading schemas, we can see the letter grade, and this is where the specific scores came from when we uploaded A's and B's and C's. Blackboard recalculated these into specific numbers. I hope this was helpful to you. Thank you.